Unveiling the mystery of nature, the half-female half-male bird. In the world's lush green canopy, an extraordinary creature exists. A bird, unlike any other, a half-female, half-male marvel. This bird, a rose-breasted grosbeak, is a spectacle. Its split-colored plumage reveals an incredible biological phenomenon, gynandromorphism. Gynandromorphs are a rarity, an anomaly in the natural world. Striking a unique balance, these creatures challenge our binary understanding of sex. In the wild, survival is paramount. Yet, this extraordinary bird thrives, its vibrant colors a testament to nature's endless adaptability. Each sighting is a treasure, a chance to explore the intricacies of avian biology. It's an inspiring spectacle that urges us to keep exploring. As we continue to unlock the mysteries of nature, let's remember, our world is full of wonder. Each creature, like this bird, tells a unique story,